What's going on, Honda fam, Honda aficionado, boys and girls of all ages? Eddie Jeezy back on duty with another YouTube video. So, I've been communicating on Instagram with my homeboy, Blue Envy, straight up from Florida. This brother, he does some awesome stuff, you know. He does a lot of customization when it comes to the Honda badging. So, if you need like a customized piece for your Honda badge, you need to give this guy a call. But so he contacted me and said, you know what, Eddie G, I've seen your car all over the place. Let me go ahead and do you a favor, man. Let me make you a special customized badge just for your car. Because, you know, you got the red and the black and the gray theme going on. So what he did was, what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to change these emblems. See these guys? These are just the regular Type R emblem from eBay. And I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up with these guys. Ooh, check it out. Look at the detail on the H and the red, the whole entire emblem with the red coloring and everything. I'm telling you, man, Blue, you're the man. Woo! Keep doing your thing, bruh. I'm gonna post the rest of the video. Yeah. What's going on, boys and girls of all ages? Eddie Jeezy back on duty. First and foremost, I just want to wish everybody happy Friday, and hopefully everybody will have a wonderful and safe weekend despite of all these COVID-19 pandemic. We're still on lockdown, but once in a while you get a nice fresh breath of fresh air, you know what I'm saying? Like a nice breath of fresh air just comes along, and you know I love cars, right? And I've changed the Honda emblem about I would say almost 2 years ago, from the regular stock Honda emblem into a JDM. So let me show you. There it is. So what I'm about to do right now, this thing's gotta go, because we just got the customized one from my boy, Blue Envy Customs. Yep, from the East Coast. The guy has amazing skills when it comes to Honda badging. And he happened to send me a nice red with a nice gray detail on it, black and gray with red. Oh man, I'm telling you, it's off the hook. So please stay tuned. Now, first and foremost, before we get this show started, that's the JDM Honda emblem that I purchased on eBay for about $45. So the easiest way for you to take that thing off is by using one of these guys. These guys is the best way for you to take these Honda emblem. I mean, these are all just pretty much 3M tape. So with these guys, I've already prepped it earlier, but that's all you gotta do. Put it in there, wiggle it a little bit. Boom. Pow. So it's gone. See you, JDM. All right. Now, this is the new customized emblem for my Honda Accord 10th Gen. I think that goes real well. Look at that, look at that. Just look at it, just look at it, just look at it, just look at it. Just look at it, it's perfect, right? Okay. So first and foremost, just like any other things, you gotta make sure you clean it up. First things first. All that dust, I've kept it in there for about, what, it's almost been 2 years. But you know, I love that emblem though. I mean, you know, it serves the purpose. It did make your car look like a fast car, but I mean, you know, it just adds the overall detail of the entire car. That's really what it is. I know it's not a Type R, but there it is. That one is gone. We're putting in the new one. Just make sure it's dry. Oh boy, I'm so excited. You know what it is, man? I'm like a kid in the candy store, man. I was telling Blue Envy earlier on Instagram, and he was asking me if I received these yet. So I just got done taking my nursing exam. So believe it or not, it's almost 10 o'clock and finally got some free time. So I think it's ready. Let's go ahead and slap it on. Oh boy. Oh boy. that look? All right. That looks badass. Oh my God. Let me just make sure we good. How's that? So from the old JDM, I've had it for 2 years and look at it. It's in a great condition. Got the 3 amp tapes in the back. Maybe we'll have a contest for you guys, all right? So that's gone and we are replacing that with these guys. Oh yeah, courtesy of my man Blue Envy is an amazing artist. You know, you got rap artists, you got different artists, you got artists that acts, you got artists that draw, you got basketball artists like Kobe Bryant. Man, I'm telling you, this guy Blue Envy, for me, he's like the Kobe Bryant of all the Honda emblems when it comes to customization. This guy did an awesome job. Oh man, you gotta make sure this thing sticks. There it is, folks. So, oh boy. Let's put it on the, that's what it looks like from the back. I'm a happy camper, so we're gonna take care of the one in the front. Let me go ahead and turn this car around, okay? Yeah, that's right, there it is. Blue Envy, man. That's all you, brother. Oh my God, look at that detail. Everything about that emblem is superb. Thank you, buddy. All right. What's up, boys and girls? We're back for the second half of the Honda emblem replacement, replacing the JDM, the red JDM Top R emblem. So with these guys, you know how people use they would use the dental flaws, screwdriver. The easiest way is grab one of these, stick it underneath, and it just pops right up. I mean, especially these guys. Well, but I already prepped it earlier. So this is gone, and just make sure it's clean. JDM serves the purpose and gave me plenty of joy the past 2 years. You know, people tell me, why you put the red Honda emblem? That's not even a 2.0. It's not even a Type R. Why you put all that emblem? Well, you know, let's put it on into the car. It's something fun, something different. But now my man Blue Envy came through with something special. Okay. All right, folks, I'm gonna show you guys what I got in the mail. So here's what the front looks like. Did you see the detail on that one? See that nice little detail? That little artistic, it's almost like a grayish, matte gray, black, I mean, with a nice bright red color right behind the H. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and put it on. It's dry. Good. Press on. All right, I think we ready. There it is, folks. What do you guys think? Ooh wee. Oh boy. Wait till it's daytime so we can take it outside for a ride. Look at that, look at here, look at here. Oh boy. Well, that's what it is. So I replaced the original stock ones with these JDM red type R emblem. Looks pretty new, so I'll probably just give it away on a raffle or something. And there's the new batch. My man. The greatest artist in the world. Blue Envy Customs. Straight up from the East Coast. My brother. From a different mother. Oh yeah. It's finally slapped. Oh yeah. Well, thank you folks for checking out my video. I'll catch you guys next time. Yours truly, Eddie Jeezy. God bless, peace, and we are out, and be safe. Yeah. One more time. One more for the ride, one more? Make it two. Yeah, two more. All right, there you go.